All right, Jeremy here with Wilson Creek Auctions, and we're gonna do a short video here of the boat. So here it is with the cover on, and the next time you see it, the cover will be off. This is the Bayliner model 185. It's a sweet, sweet boat. Engine is under here. We'll show you that in just a second. And I'm gonna zoom in. We've got some stitching issues right there that have been replaced or fixed. Other than that, everything else looks great. Captain seat, excellent condition. Floors are in excellent condition. Instrument cluster. I love this. Very comfortable. Wraparound seat in the front. It's got lots of power. One little mark here, but everything works. But it's a beauty. You saw how the cover comes off. Very simple. Little mark here. Hull looks great. Yep, excellent boat.
Latches right here.
All right.
There's 2 batteries for the Minn-Kota.
Yep.
And then 1 battery for starting this up.
Right on. Yeah, it's clean, clean, clean. Really clean. Minn-Kota attachment. Excellent. It's got your ladder here. Step down.
So in here.
So it's got a lot of storage.
I don't know. It's really for soda. I don't know. For the
Okay.
skis.
Oh, for skis. Okay,
Skis
sure.
or fishing poles.
Sure.
Yeah. We have for fish poles or skis in there.
Yep.
Yeah, right there.
Got it. Yep. Storage.
Yep.
More storage.
And you've got a depth finder.
Folks, we're going to put the top back on this thing. And maybe I can talk Ray into taking me for a ride. Probably not. But well, if I asked him real nice, he probably would. You know, you could use this thing on just about any lake you wanted to. For those of you from the area, you could use this on lakes like O'Galley, Glen. You could take it to Mahnomen, Magner, Bone Lake. You could take it to any of the larger lakes if you want, Shell Lake. You could even take this thing to the Great Lakes if you wanted to. Perfect size.